In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove background from any image using ComfyUI. You don't need Photoshop or any other software. With this workflow, you can remove background in just a second. As you can see, background removal is very simple and it works very fast. You can use it for products, portraits, and many other images. First of all, we will open our ComfyUI. Go to Settings. Then go to About. Here, you can see your ComfyUI version. Make sure your ComfyUI version is 0.22 or higher. Let's get started. If your ComfyUI is not updated, then update it first. I have already created a tutorial on this, so you can follow it easily. I will give you link that tutorial in description. You can watch it. First of all, we need a workflow. You will find the link in the description. Simply go to the provided link, and you will get a workflow file. Click on Download icon, so it will downloading. When your file is download, open your ComfyUI window and go to the Download folder. This is our workflow file. We will drag it to our ComfyUI. You will get this interface. First of all, you have to download the model from here. Click on this text. It will automatically start downloading the model file. I have already downloaded it. After downloading, copy your model file. Open the ComfyUI. Open the model folder. And this is the background removal folder. In this, you have to place the downloaded file. Open the ComfyUI window and refresh it again. Now we need to add that photo, which we want to remove background. Choose our image. Run the workflow. So it will remove the background in just a second. Let's try the more detailed background. Let's choose this one. You can see there are many other objects in the background. Click on Run. You can see our background has been removed. Let's try it. Click on Run. And our background has been removed in a second. This is how we remove the background. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.